y'all, it's Megan G and I am back with another hair tutorial. And in this video I will be installing a 5x5 lace closure body wave wig. And as you can see, I have already pre-crimped my hair. This just makes it easier for me because I really can't tell what I'm doing once the wig is on my head. And when you're doing your own hair, it kind of makes it difficult to style it the way you want to. I also like closure wigs because they're less maintenance, and if it's your first time wearing a wig, I recommend you getting a closure wig because it's so easy to manage, easy to put on, and most closure wigs are glueless. Glueless wigs are also good if you want to take on, take off, if you want your hair to breathe, or if you just don't want anything on your head for a long period of time. So if this is something that you may be interested in and you like what you see so far, continue to watch the video. Don't want to do no baby hair because it looks so clean. I might leave it like this. I don't know. Feel like I did the last time. I may leave it like this because this lace melted. I might not put no baby hair on it. It's really melting, and as y'all can see, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. You know, I like the clean hairline look. It's melted. I just gotta fix this part and define it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and then like I did on my last wig, I wore it without little baby hair for like 2 weeks or so, and then because after a while your lace do start to look a little, you know, because it's older. So when it starts getting a little older, then I'll probably just add some baby hair to, like, you know, blend the lace in. But right now, I think I like this clean lace look. I really do. I think I'm gonna keep it this way. All right, now that I've done that, and now I'm gonna take my even lace melt spray, and I just use this to like I use it to melt the lace in just a tad bit. It kind of just like seals it in. You don't have to use a lot at all. Just put like a little bit right there. Just a tad. Because it gets very sticky. And if you use too much, no, the lace gonna get sticky and I want that. Oh yeah, and this wig was so easy. Scalp, baby. You can't tell me that I don't know how to melt no lace, baby. That's one thing I know how to do is melt a lace. Cause where the lace is? Where's the lace? Tell me, where is it? All right, let me stop being silly. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know, I think I put the makeup on the lace, but I didn't put a lot because I was trying not to mess up my crimps, because I turned the inside out and like put it on there, and I was being too gentle. But it's okay because I still can define the part. So what I'm gonna do now is, I don't know if it looks like my part is centered. Let's see, y'all. I think it's into center. So being that it's not into center, I'm gonna have to flip this that way, but I could just use my wax stick when I do that. It can easily be fixed, easily. Okay, see, I'm centering my part. And it don't look like it's messing up my crimps though, but it's good. Cause that's the only thing I'm like, I don't want to mess up my crimps, cause I don't want to, you know. But it's not really. Move it over like that, like so. See y'all, I'm centering it more. But this got a ball spot right there. I don't have any. My arbor and spray must be at the shop. Okay. I'm trying to see what I can use in place of my arbor and spray. Maybe I can use some lip gloss. I have mascara. Maybe I can use some lip gloss. I don't know. Because I don't want this to be like a ball spot over there. But if I make this come up like that. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I'm such a perfectionist. Can't help it. Okay, it's coming along, y'all. And now I'm just gonna take my Ruby Kisses cream, the foundation by Ruby Kisses in the shade number 9, and just define my part. Make it look more natural. Yeah, I just want my part to be more defined. But now, what I gotta be careful of is what I have to be careful of. You don't, when you are defining your parts with this, like with the spray or whatever, you don't want to mess up your lace. So you don't want to spray too close to the lace. And see, I need to close this part up, but I'm scared that if I go too far down, it's gonna mess up my lace. And once you get black spray or anything on your lace, baby, that's it. That's it. I've done it before by accident. Oh my God. I came up, like I got it off, but it wasn't. it went right. So what I'm gonna do now is take my spoolie, and I'm gonna take this brown spray, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the spoolie like this, and I'm just gonna comb the part closed. See? It'll be a little faded by the morning anyway. Make it faded. Now, if it looks like it's like the brown is stuck in one spot, you fix that too. You can always fix that. Now, I am a perfectionist, so this up in here is not like even enough. So what I'm gonna do now, washing and spray it. Is it coming out? I use all my washing. Okay, don't use too much. And just spread it out like that, so it don't get stuck in one spot. And all it looks like is that I got like a little darker root, that's all. Now I had to improvise because I left my arbor spray at the shop at work. I didn't even think to bring it home, so all I took is just my darkest, my brown black hairspray, and just put a little bit on the part just to define it some more. That's it. And then after I do that, I'm gonna take my Got2b spray and just seal it. Seal the spray in the part. And then take my hot comb. That's my hot comb. Oh, it's still hot. It's warm. I usually would do a blow dry, but I don't feel like plugging my blow dry back up and just like put the heat on it. Like that. And see y'all? It's a perfect part. And it still looks natural. And to me, a browner root kind of looks, gives it more of a natural look anyway, like your roots growing out, you know? So, this is why this is hair artistry. You have to be an artist to do hair, to be a hairstylist, because baby, you gotta improvise. Sometimes you gotta make do with what you have. You gotta make something shake, you know. So I did that, and as y'all can see, it's natural. I am not gonna do baby hair like I said, because I like this clean hairline look. So maybe in about 2 weeks or so, if my lace starts to look a little, you know, not fresh anymore, then I'll put like 2 little baby hairs there. But for now, this is how it's gonna be. I'm done. This is the finished look, as y'all can see. It's crinkled, cute. Cute. And again, this is a 5x5 26-inch body wave hair in copper red. I'm sorry, auburn red. And I love it. It's soft, it's light. I crinkled my wig and I just let it sit on mannequin head so the crimps can set in, so they won't fall so easily once I put it on. And you know, and that's what it is. Okay, I'm a perfectionist. I feel like I need to go back over this part just more. Just a little bit, that's it. See, it's making a tad bit lighter. All right. Okay, y'all, like that. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my hair tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have, give me a thumbs up, like, and please subscribe if you have not. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.